I don't know what this sound is. I've never heard. Can you hear that? Let's see if I can give it enough light. There it is. You hear it? It's an owl. If anybody knows what kind of owl this is. Why he's making that noise? I don't want to shine the light right on him. Go. There he is. What is that noise about? Oh, I want to scare him. Maybe I can get a good shot of him doing it. Why is he making that noise? Don't fly away. There. Hi. Alright, do it. Make the noise. What is that about, folks? I can't really light him up because he's nocturnal. But he's up here in the bamboo, up in the barn. Huh. Well, if you know what that noise is and why he's doing it, then email me at george@visiontelevision.tv. I'd sure love to know.